Hi guys, good morning. I'm back again, your number one vlog-along. John is here and welcome to my vlog all-in-one channel. And for today's video, second day here in Kyrgyzstan. And let's check first. For sure, coffee first. So guys, ano bang meron ngayon? Second day namin dito sa Kyrgyzstan. Dito kami ngayon sa Airbnb. Magkakape muna kami. Kasama ko yung mga Dabar Cats natin dito. Dito si Kenneth, si Ana, si Dindin, and si Enzo.
Morning.
Okay. So, titimpla muna ako ng kape. Timpla muna tayo ng coffee natin. Breakfast muna tayo. Si Nordic, grabe yung hanok ni Nordic. Binidyo ko niya, harap-harap niya. Pagod binuksan yung coffee. Binidyo ko lang yung harap niya. Tapos mamaya pakirinig ko sa kanya. So guys,
Ang dami nito.
may mga cookies din sila dito.
Nakatinapay na kami.
Ang nagkapulas.
Cookies. Now guys, ready to pack up na kami. So ngayon, nakaligo na kami. So punta kami ng airport kasi nag-message na sa akin yung sa airport regarding sa lost and found kasi nga yung sa item ko, di ba, sa luggage ko. So today, pipick up na namin. Hopefully na walang nawala dun sa luggage kasi inopen na nila yon. Sana maging okay ang lahat. At the same time, alis na rin kami sa accommodation namin na binayaran namin for 24 hours. Lilipat na kami sa ibang accommodation, sa ibang place na ulit. So, kunin muna namin yung luggage ko sa airport para dire-diretso na yung aming tour. And, ayun, busy sila na nagpapak ngayon. Busy sa packing. Parang malabo yung cam ko. Wipe na natin yung lens. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, busy sila sa pagpapak na ngayon. Si Mother number 1 ayun, nagme-makeup na siya. Mamaya paparating si Mother number 2. Ayan. So update ko na lang kayo mamaya ulit. Guys, ngayon ready for checkout na kami sa aming hotel. We're going to the airport first. I'm gonna collect my luggage. And then we're gonna go to another destination, another Airbnb. And then, ayun, ready to rock and roll na ulit. So, ready na ang mga Inday. At kami ay gagala na ulit. Day 2 in Kyrgyzstan.
Half lang yung ano.
Ngayon guys, on the way na kami. Papunta sa mountain area. At yung dalawa kong kasama, Borlog na. Borlog na si Anne.
Huwag mo kami i-chismis sa vlog.
Tsaka si Norvig Borlog. Nagising bigla si Norvig na sinabi kong Borlog. So, ayan guys. May ulan kasi ngayon dito. So, sana doon sa mamaya tila na yung ulan para hindi ganun kahirap maglakad. Siyempre mahirap maglakad kung maulan. Dito na kami ngayon. So dito lang kami stopover. Nag-stopover kami. So medyo naambon pa. Kita nyo naman sa sa harapan ko. So ayan, mountain area na puro snow na doon sa taas ng bundok doon. At malamig na din dito ngayon, malamig na. Kaya kita niyo naman siguro sa kung may umusok-usok na sa bibig ko. Kasi malamig. Pero andito na yung aming mga Dabar Cats. Mga Dabar Cats, dito na yung mga Dabar Cats natin. So andito si Kenneth.
Hi, ang yung all-time favorite beshi ng bayan.
Si Norbit.
Si Norvich.
Si Nobita.
According to the Dutch people, Norvich.
Andito si Nobita.
Okay, okay, okay. Dito
Nasaan na ba siya?
Dyan.
Wait.
Saan?
So magte-take muna kami ng mga pictorial at saka one of our tour guide. And the mother number 1 is here. Mother number 1. Kasing number 2 ando doon, nagte-take ng picture. Oh, kumusta naman ang mother? Tingnan mo naman yan, oh. Oh, ang ganap niyan, oh. Wow! Kabog, ano? Kinabog lahat. Nasaan yung ating teacher? Si teacher, andi dito nga pala si teacher.
Yan.
Andi dito si teacher. Oo.
May klase po kami.
May klase siya. Saan pang ano natin ngayon? Saan po tayo magtuturo?
May PTA meet.
Ayaw, attend daw siya ng PTA meeting. Ako naman magma-magic mamaya. So, siya mag-attend ng PTA meeting. Ako naman magma-magic mamaya. At ito yung ating little panda. Little panda ba?
Little panda pero nagmukhang dagang bahay.
Okay. Magte-take muna kami ng picture. So, mamaya na lang ulit. Gusto namin kumain muna. So, kain muna kami. So, yung... It's cozy here. It's nice.
Maybe you can sit here.
Yeah.
If you want, you can sit here. It's okay.
We can sit.
Let's try this.
Do you want to remove the shoes?
Yes, let's remove the shoes. Let's try it.
Oh, it's up to you guys.
No, if you want, you can.
Yeah, we can try it.
Okay.
Of course, you
Okay,
will.
our chan is malaki eh.
Of course, I think you will first of all for you first time. It's good enough now.
Because we want to see the yung vibes daw dito. Kasi maglalagay daw ng... Kaya magtatanggal ng shoes. So, mas better na lang na
From here,
narito.
we will try like the katama. It's a local bread.
Okay.
It's like paratha bread.
Okay.
So each one, I order one piece
Yes.
and 2 portion of food for the sharing.
Okay, sure. No problem.
It's food is like colors potato is the meat.
Potato with meat is the lamb?
No, it's beef.
No, I don't eat lamb. Sorry.
No, beef.
Beef.
Oh, they have only beef. Okay. I order 2 portion. Then, if you want, you can add
More.
You can eat like egg.
I have eggs in there.
So, what is this?
It's a pancake.
Oh, pancake. Yes.
Also, I don't want
Ostrich
the one
egg.
sour. So you can eat this.
Yeah, so...
Because we are fasting and we will wait outside.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan guys. Yung sombrero ko din yun. Yung magician nyo pagod na.
Magician.
Yung
Ito naman.
Yung ating...
Ipasuot mo yan kay Enzo.
Yung magician nyo pagod na. Yung magician nyo pagod na. Tingnan nyo naman si Enzo, yung ating principal. Andi dito na. Yung ating principal. Andi dito na.
Ating set.
Oo, di ba?
Auditor.
So, ngayon, itatry namin tong tea. This is the tea.
Wala siyang lugar. Ano ba lugar to?
And then,
Ano nga, ikaw nga.
ito yung ano nila. What's that food?
Beef and
Keming.
potato. It's
Beef and potato.
Kurdak.
Kordak.
National
Yeah,
food.
kordak.
It's
So,
usually made for the hunters, for the pastures, because it's very easy to make. You need to fry the meat and potato.
okay. Is this with the soy sauce?
No.
There's no soy sauce.
No
Yeah.
soy sauce.
Yeah.
Ay,
So, it's
welcome
like
to
a
my
beef steak.
vlog.
And
What is this?
yung sugar nila ando doon lang sa pot.
Just butter.
Butter?
Chai lang. Chai lang yan,
Tapos
Enzo.
merong homemade
They
butter.
have special machine to make
Chai lang.
Tapos merong parota. Ito yung parota nila.
They put this machine from this machine. All the fat goes different, and the waters like a less fat.
Ito yung parota nila.
So the one you called it yak?
You mix
The dry? It's nice. Yak, right?
No. That one is kurut.
Hindi ko makikita.
No, the... Yeah. Ano lang, the one they dry it and then it's like hard.
Anong lugar to?
Yak cheese. Kemin.
Kemin?
K-E-M-I-N.
Ayan. Kakain muna kami, guys.
Ay, oo. Ana. Hindi siya light eh. Tignan mo.
Kain muna kami.
Tignan mo.
Mamaya lang ulit.
Baka siya. Go. Baka siya.
Ito para siyang adobo.
Ang sarap nito. May onion and chive.
Guys, habang kumakain kami, magtatanong ako kay Norbit kung ano yung ano niya, rating niya dito sa food. O Norbit, anong rate mo dito? Dito, anong rate mo dito?
Ito masarap siya kasi ano siya, may onion and chive siya. So parata siya na high elevated. Para sa akin out of 10, 9.8 siya. Oo,
Wow.
9.8 masarap siya kasi
Wow.
hindi ako mahilig kumain ng ng parata kasi ma-rice tayo.
Okay.
Tapos ito,
Ito.
tingnan mo, from the looks itself, from the meat itself, how tender it is. See?
Yeah.
Tapos taste-wise, bistek Tagalog siya.
Bistek
Ang
Tagalog.
sarap.
Super sarap.
Yes, bongga.
Oh, how about you?
Rate nito,
Nasabi niya
10.
10. How about you? Do you like the food?
Nasabi niya na lang.
Hindi.
This one? That one?
Nasabi lang yan.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Wow. Nice score. And how about you? Ana?
100.
100?
Yes.
Perfect score.
Yes.
Mr. Professor. Prop. But how you rate it, Prop?
Pro pepper.
200%. Pero do you like it?
Yes.
Sex bomb girl. Anong rating mo sa food?
Masarap.
Saan mo? Di ka marinig, di ako nakadala ng mic.
Masarap nga.
Actually guys, masarap talaga yung food. Ito para siyang Pilipino na beef steak talaga siya. Super sarap niya. As in yung parang yung mga dila ni dito parang mga Pilipino din. 'Di ba? Yung mga niluluto nila dito parang mga Pilipino din. So nakakagulat lang kasi first time ko rin lang na yung luto natin halos similar lang din sa kanila. Kaya nakakatawa, 'di ba?
Now I realize kung bakit tinawag na bistek Tagalog ang bistek natin kasi baka originated siya sa Bishkek. Kyrgyzstan.
Alam din nila yung
Makes sense.
alam nila yung bistek, sabi namin bistek, sabi niya, yeah.
Kasi Bishkek tapos Bishkek ang capital city.
alam, sabi niya Bishkek.
Ito yung national drink, national food nila eh.
Oo. So,
Hindi kaya doon galing yung bistek na pangalan.
So, yun natin, alamin natin yun. Kasi din, syempre.
Di ba may nagtanong nga kay Kenneth? Bistek? No.
Ayun, sarap siya, sarap.
Ayun na, makakarating sa Kuwait yan.
Ito, makakarating talaga ito sa YouTube. Ay, enjoy lang muna namin pagkain.
Hello guys, vlog takeover po tayo. Ubus na. Now we're heading to somewhere like far. Mountains, siesta, after eating. Sino ka dyan? Wala na, ubus na sila lahat. That's a nice try.
So guys, back on track na ulit kami. Dito kami sa loob ng aming van. And still far way to go more. Far way to go pa. So, ayun na kami.
Ayun na yun, may sapa.
Ayan, yun yung view namin ngayon. Naulan pa rin talaga, so di ganun kaganda yung weather. I hope na tomorrow or maya is maganda na yung weather. Pero as of now, I mean, yung weather talaga dito malamig kasi dun sa snow ng mga mountains, super lamig. Okay, so update ko kayo ulit. Ayun guys.
We're lucky.
Nice!
Oh, I love it.
Heavy snow na. Mura na ng snow. Kasi super lamig talaga. Kasi,
Actually, I already saw it in Albania
so, maya.
last time.
Ang lakas na.
Pero iba pa rin yung may kasama kang nag...
Ito guys, yun yung aming labas. So, pero yung harapan namin, yung mga layers ng rocks. Kanya naman. This is Kyrgyzstan. And, ayan siya. Bro, how far we will go for the destination?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
Yes. So now we will reach to the destination.
Okay.
Then after that we will see the eagle hunting show.
Okay.
Then after that we will go for the accommodation place.
Okay.
So after that you will have rest little bit. After that we will go for the dinner.
Okay. So 1.5 hours left.
No, because you know, like you should be understood today.
Yeah,
because,
sure.
You know, like a lot of time around like 3 hours we spent.
Yes.
We
To 785.
spent like to take like your luggage.
Yeah.
That's why we are missing like their places.
Yeah.
Because you know, like if we will visit now that places, but we will reach too dark. And you know, like too dark is not good.
It's not good, it's true. It's useless, the view. It's too dark. Ayun guys, yun naman yung guys, tingnan niyo yung mga bahay dito guys. Guys, para kaming nasa disyerto ngayon. Tingnan niyo yung mga, hintayin niyo yung labas. Para kaming nasa disyerto. Grabe oh. Tingnan niyo yung labas. At punta natin yung mga Dabber Cads. Oh, Professor! Si Prof! Andito si Prof! Kumusta, Prof? Antok ka, Prof? Ayan o, meron silang eagle. Ayun o. And then horse. Magpapalipad sila ng eagle. Ayun o.
Mali.
Papalipad ng
Akin na
eagle.
yung isa mo. Diyan akin na yung isa.
Ayan guys, so magkakaroon ng eagle show. Yeah.
Naka-portrait videos ka.
Kaya lang may harang pa yung mga mata ng eagle. Naka-covered pa.
First, welcome to Kyrgyzstan. My name is Nursultan. That's my young brother named Japar. This Anchuk Anwar. Anwar's eagle name Suluke. Suluke, 13 years old.
13 years old,
This next eagle, Japar eagle name Aymonchok, 3 years old.
3 years old.
2 eagles, female eagles.
So,
The eagle hunting on the females. Female eagles biggest, stronger, very smart. Male eagle smaller, little bit lazy eagles. The females good.
okay.
Eagle taking only nature. Eagle nest only 2 small birds. Taking only 1. Female eagles taken home. 1 month adaptation period after training process. This eagle, golden eagles very smart. Teaching very fast, only 3 months. Teaching fox skin, jackal skin teaching after real hunting. Real hunting season Kyrgyzstan winter time, summertime no hunt. Summertime all animals little with baby, pregnant, the government protect those animals. Winter time real hunting season.
Hmm.
They're hunting foxes, jackals, sometimes wolf hunting.
There is wolf here?
Yeah. Eagle catching fox, meat only eagles, meat taking a skin like this traditional.
Yeah.
People's fox meat, jackal meat, no eat, only eat eagles. Eagle eating only fresh meat, any meat only fresh, 700 grams to 1 kilo meat. That's summertime every day, winter time 1 day eating, 2 days snow. Yes, golden eagles living 50-60 years.
Oh,
Only
50 to 60
hunting
years.
50 to 60
Yeah.
years. It's more than human being.
Long time.
Sometimes, yeah.
Eagle
Sometimes.
hunting only 20 years, after 20 years, free nature.
Mm.
This eagle weighs 6 kilo,
6
big 2 meters.
2 meters.
Eagle eye is very strong, see 5 kilometers. Rabbit, foxes. My grandfather's eagle man, third generation, the family eagle hunters. Japar, Buster, go!
So ayan, piniprepare na nila yung eagle doon sa taas ng bundok.
Hold out after the truck.
Tapos magmumula doon yung eagle papunta rito sa amin.
Oh. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready to see. Ayun na yung eagle. Ayun na siya. Oh. Galing.
Every fly, eagle reward to the pigeon meat.
Ah,
Eagle eating everything. Bone, skin. After 12 hours inside digest, only skin vomit.
ayun guys. Oh. So 6 kg ang timbang niyan. So mabigat niyan.
Eagle age, only tail. 1 years old, 5 years old, tail always white.
See,
After 6 years, like this, darker. This 13 years old eagle.
13 years old.
Yes. This 13 years old eagle, very experienced eagle.
Okay ba yung ano ng eagle? Ano ba masasabi mo?
Okay.
Ikaw, prop, ano bang masasabi mo? Mas magaling ka magturo for
Based
sure.
on our ano,
Mas magaling ka magturo.
based on our study.
Ayan.
This stone eagle's tissue. The napkin eagle.
Ah,
Cleaning,
Cleaning the beak.
sharpening. That's also 1 minute.
We are using.
Oh, Buster!
Tinuruan talaga nila.
Like here you can recognize which one is like male or female because you know like
That's rings.
that if it's a female,
The 1, 2, 3, 4 rings.
Okay.
The female.
okay.
A male only 3.
Only 3.
Only 3.
Ah, okay.
the weight of the eagle is like
6
6
kilogram.
one wing is 1 meter, two wings is 2 meters.
Ayan, nililinis na yung beak niya.
The leg is cleaning.
Yeah.
The big sharpening.
Mm. Cleaning the beak. Mm. Mm. So most of the time you cover the eyes.
Eagle eye is very strong, see 5 kilometers.
Mm.
This mask named Tomoko.
Mm.
Open the mask, eagle flying.
Mm.
This mask very calm.
Mm.
The hand.
Yeah.
This not see.
So if they don't see, they will just feel only.
They're
Yeah.
very calm.
Yeah.
Open the mask, eagle flying.
Yeah.
Okay. Automatic.
Also you pet touch.
Wow. Ooh.
Wait. I'll zoom it out.
See, ang kapal ng balahibo niya. Ng kanyang feather.
That's one of them.
Kaya pumunta kami sa lugar na to kasi kailangan nila ng space na malapad na ano. Kailangan may space na para liparan. So ayun, meron dong fox. Ayun no.
Fox skin.
Yeah, it's a foxy skin.
Training the eagles.
Yeah.
I stay here, photo video see.
Okay.
Ano lalapit sa atin?
Dun sa ano. Ayun oh. Ayun yung eagle. Hahabulin yung ano. Oh, di ba? Oh. Ayun. Woo!
Kakainin niya yun?
Hindi.
Ano ba yan?
Ano lang yan eh. Training ano. Mm-mm. Ayun. Galing niya mag-hunt. Natalo tayo dun. Ang galing niya mag-hunt, di ba? Kinabog tayo dun. Kinabog ka dun.
Hindi nga siya tunay.
Oh, hindi nga siya tunay.
Hindi nga siya tunay. Dami lang siya.
Oo. Ayan, meron ulit siyang kinakain. Ayan.
Ordinary lang. Pero,
Sa dami.
pero yung
Oh.
So in Kyrgyzstan, the people in the villages
How old are you?
like horses.
How old are you? Ha?
He's a 6-year-old.
6 years old.
Yes.
Mm. 6 years old, ang galing-galing ng mga bayo.
But he knows how to ride the horse.
Yeah.
Even like in Kyrgyzstan, some of young generation like this, like him, they are participating for the race. For the
Ah,
race, horse race.
horse race. He's good in riding the horse.
alam mo naman ako best ever supportive friends mo. Eto dito para ayan. Alam mo naman ako best ever supportive friends mo. Kung sa akin ang cellphone mo.
Ayun.
Game 1, 2. Wait, wala yung back. Wait.
Twist in the back, open the wings. Twist up, up, right. Yeah. No, only up. Yeah.
Okay,
Twist a little
go.
bit back.
Okay na?
Okay, go.
Ako wants to try.
Ako din ay. Ako din. Ito. Ay, sige, go na. Easy share. Easy share. Oh, it's his ears. His eyes. Bigyan mo nga ako Ana ng ano lang. 10 seconds lang.
You don't have like glasses. Wait. Come here. You can turn like this and yes.
Oh, di ba parang galing ni Ana, oh, di ba? Ana, kaya mo yan.
Picture lang kita. 1, 2, 3. This is better. This side dito ka na lang. It's, I don't know what's this. Ano ba na? Kasi yun sa mata. Ay, dumaan si Nordic. Okay na. Ay, hindi. May shadow. Mas maganda talaga.
Enzo, kaya mo yan.
Where's the picture this side?
Oh.
Yeah, eto kasi. Eto kasi talaga dapat. Eto talaga. Ayan talaga, Kenneth.
Oh, prop, kaya mo yan, prop.
Mulawin. Mulawin.
Shake mo siya.
Din. Hindi ka yan kayang ilipad. Ganun mo pa. Yan. Hindi ka yan kayang ilipad. Din. Ito naman yung mga show, dog show. Ay, meron tayong dog show dito. Sinong sasali? Sinong sasali sa dog show? Sinong sasali sa dog show? Papahabol. Din, ikaw daw naman daw yung ano, ikaw daw yung hahabulin ng aso.
Eto yun sa'yo, te.
Parang wadi dog.
Natatakbo daw si Din tapos magpapahabol sa aso. Anong ganun mo pag hinabol ka ng aso? Anong position mo pag hinabol ka ng aso?
Hayaan ko na lang.
Hayaan mo na nalapahin ka.
Pagod pa ako, ganun din naman.
Wala daw, mahayaan na lang daw lapain siya. Iba paano kung mga boys yan, di ba? Ano? Paano kung mga boys yan, mga yan?
Bleep!
Prop, paano pag ikaw yung hinahabol ng aso, anong gagawin mo?
Bakit, bro?
Breed. Di ba?
Breed of what? Only here? Like natural breed?
Ito, meron ulit din sila.
Iran, the local dog, only bred Kyrgyzstan. Winter time, eagle dog together hunting. Eagle dog friendly, no bite each other. This father, 3 years old dog. 2 puppy, only 2 years old.
2 years old.
2 boys, 1 girl. Next process, hunting dog training process. This jackals.
So, let's see. The
brown one.
The 3 years old, the black one. Yeah, My bet is the black one.
The oldest?
Yeah, the 3 years old.
Yung kalas na yung buntot.
No, Dindin will gonna be the first. He will gonna be the first.
Small black one, my sister.
Yung malaki.
Prop.
Ano na, lamig.
Prop.
Video ka.
Wait! Hoy! One more dog is missing!
Ayaw, di ba? One dog is missing. Ito na, dali. Video. Oh, sino man nanalo? Ang bilis ng brown. Wow! Ah, ang galing ng brown.
you!
Galing ng brown.
Inay ko.
Join Norvik. No, join. One more Norvik. Join. Baka they think that you are a fox.
I don't know!
They will think that you are a fox.
Like this also.
They will think that you're a fox. Ayun guys, katatapos lang namin dun sa dog show at the same time eagle show. So ngayon andito na kami ngayon sa hostel sa bahay na tutuloy namin yun. Yan. Yan yung lugar. Super lamig kanina.
Wow.
Ayan. Diba? Ano masasabi nyo guys?
Easy to
po
fall
na.
in love, yeah.
Easy to fall in love.
So far, so good.
Wala tayong mga bonus. So, ayan. Okay. So, we will go na.
This one is your accommodation. Each one, 2 person in one.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. So, ito yon. So, 6 kami. So, per cubicle, per house is there are 2 can accommodate. So, prop, ano nang masasabi mo, prop? Check natin. Ito sa middle. Ayan. Walang lights? May lights ba? Wala lang lights. Ayan. So, 2 bed. Tapos, ayan yung view mo sa labas. Ayan, para maliwanag. O, diba? Charan! Welcome!
Dito na tayo?
To Kyrgyzstan! O, dito tayong dalawa. Dalawa kami dito.
Oo.
Ayan guys, so kita nyo naman.
Saan?
Maganda yung ano, tapos may toilet. Ayan. Ayan yung washroom. So, salamin. Ayan. So, ang cute niya. So, kunin na namin muna yung mga gamit namin para may may ayos na lahat. Tapos mamaya,
Bababa natin yung malaki.
luggage because, you know, I need some clothes. I need to refresh. Tapos meron sila ditong duyan. Di ba? May hammock sila dito.
Dapat doon tayo
Tapos,
sa may ano.
mamaya magpipicture kami dyan. Tapos ito. Shit.
Hindi nila bubuhatin.
Diba?
Huwag mo lang magbubuhat sa atin.
Oh, join kayo dito guys.
Guys, come here.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. Wait.
Welcome to Kyrgyzstan.
Ayan o.
Walang drone. And so, mamaya manapin yung mga dead spot.
Ayan, so welcome to Kyrgyzstan. At yung likod natin, yung likod. Oh, di ba? Oh, prop, halika rito, prop. Oh, di ba? Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, di ba? Oh, hindi to picture, video. Ayun guys, so ngayon lalabas na muna kami kasi magdi-dinner na kami. Nag-picture taking lang kami dun kanina. At
Gumawa lang ng content.
gumawa ng content sa TikTok. Kasi
Wala pala tayong isang dance crew.
actually pala TikTok din yung mga kasama ko. Actually first time ko mag-join sa group nila. So, talagang kailangan natin ng Google Translate. Kaya kahit may mga letters na ganyan, ang hirap basahin niya. Oh.
Kape ba siya?
Oh. So, back siya. Back siya.
It's
Here, because you know, like,
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
we will not disturb you. You can sit like here.
because it's still early. It's 5. One time is the prayer.
I forgot my 360 camera. So, okay lang yun. Nakalimutan ko yung 360 ko. Nakakamadali. Okay lang yun. Guys, ayun. Super busog kami. Tingnan mo naman yung ano. Ayan, sarap ng food kaya busog. Dorm talaga, di ba? Nandito na kami sa hotel namin.
Nandito na kami sa capsule.
So, look at the
capsule accommodation namin.
meron kaming bagong invite guest. Recruit. Meron kaming bagong recruit. Papakita ko na sa inyo kung sino yung bagong recruit.
She's from?
Chara! Si Bidang.
Kamsahamnida.
Bidong.
Laruan nyo ako
O, di ba? Meron na siyang hair ngayon, may bangs na siya. Kanina wala eh. Ngayon may bangs na siya. O, di ba?
Katubo lang.
Sorry.
So, naglalaro sila
Huwag
ng
nyong inaano o favorite
naglalaro
mo.
sila ng baraha. Hindi man ako marunong maglaro ng baraha. So,
While
hindi
ano,
ako makaka... Ay, ito.
While drinking beer.
Ito yung local.
Cheers!
Local.
Maki-cheers ka.
Local
Oh,
beer.
Ana, cheers.
Oo.
Cheers lang siya.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Local beer nila dito. Try namin local beer nila. Kung masarap.
Habang -1 ang temperature sa wala tayong makita.
Yeah. Please support to my channel. Subscribe. Don't bash. You can just comment. Anything that you like to for us to do a challenge, yeah, why not? Just put some comments and thank you so much. Please support and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next day.